Concrete, steel, and glass, the building blocks of modern civilization. But when safety is ignored, even the strongest structures can crumble. These are 5 of the worst construction accidents that actually happened, and their devastating consequences. Downtown New Orleans, October 2019. The Hard Rock Hotel, a massive $375 million project, was just months from completion. But on a quiet morning, workers noticed something was wrong. Then, in seconds, 3 floors gave way, pancaking into the street below. Dust clouds swallowed the French Quarter. 3 workers were killed. Dozens more were injured. Lawsuits and investigations revealed weak design and ignored warnings. Today, the scar of that collapse still lingers on Canal Street. September 11th, 2015. Thousands of pilgrims filled the Grand Mosque in Mecca. High winds swept through the city, battering the largest construction cranes in the world. Suddenly, one gave way. The massive red crane toppled directly into the mosque, crushing worshippers in seconds. The tragedy killed 111 people and injured nearly 400. Investigations pointed to poor safety practices and weather risks being ignored. One of the holiest sites in Islam turned into a disaster zone. Philadelphia, June 2013. Crews worked to demolish an old 4-story building, but reckless shortcuts turned deadly. Without warning, the entire wall collapsed, directly onto a busy Salvation Army thrift store next door. Inside, dozens of shoppers were buried under bricks and debris. 6 people were killed, 13 injured. Investigators blamed shoddy demolition methods and a contractor's negligence. A city landmark reduced to rubble, and lives lost forever. April 27, 1978. Willow Island, West Virginia. Workers climbed high on scaffolding to finish a massive power plant cooling tower. Freshly poured concrete hadn't cured. The scaffolding ripped free. In seconds, 51 men fell over 160 feet to their deaths. The worst construction accident in U.S. history. OSHA called it a catastrophic failure of safety oversight. A reminder that rushing deadlines can cost everything.
January 2007. São Paulo's bustling Pinheiros district. As workers dug tunnels for a new subway line, the ground beneath the city gave way. A massive sinkhole swallowed cars, buses, and pedestrians in an instant. Rescue crews fought through unstable soil for days. In the end, 7 people were confirmed dead. The collapse left Brazil questioning the safety of its infrastructure and the price of pushing rapid expansion.
Since surviving darkwave disasters, I double dare you